Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I'm gonna do a review and lip swatches of the Ellana Lip in Luxe. Plus, I'll be having a giveaway sponsored by, of course, Ellana Mineral Cosmetics. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. So for this video, I'm gonna be swatching and doing a review. I've heard a lot of good things about this product. It's all over social media and I want to give you guys my honest review. I also want to try this out for myself. And as you all know, I am a proud Morena. My channel is all about makeup for Filipino skin or Morena skin. So that's interesting. If you don't know, Ellana is vegan and cruelty-free brand, which I'm all about. There's a description here that says color that lasts all day, made with vegan ingredients, style-free and cruelty-free. So I have here 3 shades. I have Love is Amazing, Love is Bliss, and Love is True. So you'll get 7 ml of this product. But first off, I'm gonna take off my lipstick and I'm also gonna use their lip scrub. So I have like a clean and soft lips to work with. This is really nice and it smells really good. This is their watermelon lip scrub. It has mint and I think this is also edible. It's like this and it's nice to do scrubs before you put on like matte lipsticks, especially because you will get this nice surface to work with. And just wipe them off. Okay, let's just try Love is Amazing. That is really pigmented and it glides on pretty smoothly too. I haven't dipped the applicator back in, so let's wait for that to dry. Their claim is that it is smudge proof, waterproof, and long lasting. It doesn't dry my lips and I like how it looks. I think this is more of an everyday lipstick, this color. Okay, I think that already dried down, so let's try the no transfer. I'm also gonna swatch on my arm, so let's try if it will smudge. So I'll wait for that to dry and then we'll try to smudge it. But I think to remove this you need an oil-based makeup remover, I guess, or you can also use their lip scrub. So that's gone. Okay, now this is Love is a Bliss. Again, it's really pigmented. I didn't redip. There's a little more color in this compared to the first one that I swatched. This one is good for like a brunch with the girls. It gives your face a little bit of color. It's totally wearable. And again, I'll try to... Okay, for the last one, I have Love is True, which is their red. So this is Love is True. This is really nice. It makes my teeth white. This is good for a night out. And I think this will really last long after the whole day has ended. Same thing, I didn't redip my brush. 7 ml will last you a long time. I think this has dried. I did that earlier. Didn't smudge. Isn't that amazing? Well, I'm not surprised because I can already tell from how it feels on my lips that it's something that is long lasting. Yeah, for me, I really like these products. I think they have more shades than this. You can just check it out from their website. And this lipsticks retails for 499 pesos. But right now they have an ongoing promo which is 50% off. So that is a big save. That will run from September 13 to September 16. So make sure to visit their website. I will link it down below, and also their partnered sites in Lazada, Shopee, Zalora, Beauty MNL. And for their physical stores, they have a buy one, take one for these lipsticks. That's not a bad deal. This is really worth buying, knowing that these are really great quality. It's really worth the money. Also, I really like how the colors flatter my morena skin, which is a plus. And also, they are cruelty-free, vegan. So yeah, let's support local brands. So that's it for my review. And I hope you can try this out for yourself as well. And I'll probably get more of the other shades because I really like it. Honestly, it doesn't dry my lips. Like, if you would feel my lips now, it's like powder matte, but it doesn't transfer. See, Ellana did a great job, so kudos to them. And since Ellana has been so generous, we're giving away lip scrubs. So check out my Instagram post. I will link it down below for the mechanics of the giveaway. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!